In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to hide Instagram photos without deleting them so you can clean up your profile while still keeping your memories safe. So the process is pretty basic, and it's the same for both iPhone as well as Android devices. And you can see that I've opened my Instagram app and I've opened my profile page. In order to hide some of the posts and the photos, we will open our settings page by tapping the three lines right here. After that, you'll find and open this Your Activity button because this is where the option which we're looking for is located. Since we need to hide our Instagram posts, let's scroll a bit down and find this Posts button, and this will essentially open the section where all of our Instagram posts will be shown. If I want to hide the first 3 photos, for example, I just have to tap on this Select button at the top right. Then tap on these 3 photos, and we don't have a hide button here. But instead of that, I'm going to tap on the Archive button at the bottom left here, and that will essentially hide the photos from our profile, and it will move them to another place in our settings, known as the Archive, and only you can access and view those photos. The photos won't be deleted, and you can get them back on your profile whenever you want to. And that's it for this video, everyone. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.